In this video, I'm gonna show you how to backup, replace, and restore the RDworks parameters on your Ruida RDC6442 controller. First, power on the machine and connect it to your computer using a USB cable. Now, let's enter the Windows. Open RDworks, click Setting, double-click USB Auto, and Test. If everything is okay, you will see the test success here, but if you get test failure, don't worry. Click Model and make sure controller model is RDC6442S. Confirm the model, go back to Setting, USB Auto, and test again. Success this time. Close all the pop-up windows, and before replacing the controller, we will first backup all the parameters. Click User, then Read to make sure you are reading the parameters currently stored in the controller. Click Save to a desktop with the name RD6442 User. Save. Next, File. Select the vendor settings. Enter the password RD8888. Read, then save. Save it to a desktop RD6442 vendor. Once it's done, click Exit. Now let's back up the optimized parameters. Click Configures, System Setting, and Optimize. Click Read. Oops! As you can see here, the controller 6442 doesn't support the read function for these parameters. But it's okay, you can use your phone to take a photo of them for backup. Now we are ready to replace the controller. Power off the machine. Open the side panel. Now you can see the RDC6442 controller here. Remove these 4 screws, then disconnect all of these wiring terminals and connectors. Okay, let's get down to business. Notice here, and here can remain in place. No need to remove them. If some of them are difficult to reach, you can use a screwdriver for help. Remove the remaining screws. Disconnect the lower terminal blocks. And the controller can now be removed. Our after-sales team will provide you with a new one. Now let's install it. Place it back into position and reinstall the screws. Reconnect all of the wiring terminals. Again, use a screwdriver to make connection much easier. Connect the remaining plugs. Then press each connector firmly to make sure it's fully seated. Now the new controller is installed. Close and lock the side panel. Power the machine back on. And reconnect it to a computer using the USB cable. Now, go back to Windows. Open RDworks, click Setting, double-click USB Auto, and test. Success! Close the pop-up windows and restore the parameters we backed up earlier. Click User, Read, click Open. Select and double-click RD6442 user backup file we saved earlier. Import success. Good! Click Write and read once more to confirm that the parameters have been successfully written into the controller. Next, File, Vendor Settings. Enter the password RD8888. Click Read, Open. Double-click RD6442 vendor backup file. Success 2. Click Write and read again to verify the parameters. And finally, Exit. Now let's restore the optimize. Configures, System Setting, Optimize. A new controller is usually empty here, so we read first. Oh, I forgot it. 6442 controller doesn't support the read function here, so we can add manually. But what should we add? Aha! It's right here. For every machine with an RDC 6442 controller, we have a parameter reference acrylic block inside. These values have been carefully tuned and optimized by our engineering team through extensive testing, and they are engraved onto this acrylic block. Simply enter each parameter into the corresponding fields. And of course, you can also use the photos you took before replacement. Either method works. However, I personally recommend using the values on this acrylic block, since they represent the final optimized settings determined by our engineers and are more accurate. And you will also notice there is no write function here, so just enter the values, and they will be saved automatically. You can open the optimizer again to check the parameters are already stored. So we now know that the Ruida Controller 6442 doesn't support read and write functions. They must be entered manually. That's it. Now you've completed the entire process of replacing the Ruida Controller 6442, including backing up the parameters before replacement and restoring afterward. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through this way.